So what is up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zusha Allah, if you didn't fucking know. So today, guys, I have a new unit. I'm so fucking excited to open it. Oh my god. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Normally I just do this part off camera, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I love this fucking scent of Lysol. So boom, I always take my Amazon packages. I don't normally show you guys, but just for sanitation reasons, guys, I really recommend. You know, they're always at the airport, everybody touches them. I just can't. So, oh yeah, that one's the lavender scent. Okay, so this unit right here, I cannot wait to fucking open it. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see if I grab my screen really quick. You know, the photo on the Amazon, just so you guys are savvy on which one it is. Riktak hair. Okay, yeah, so that's the name of the brand. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up right now. I'm so freaking excited. Can you guys tell? I'm so excited. I hope you guys are staying, you know, up to par with my channel. Go ahead and subscribe because I have so much fucking videos out lately. I cannot. Just keep up with me, okay? I'm gonna spray inside also. So yeah, girl, this is what it looks like. They have their name on the bag. Super cute. And this is one of my favorite colors. Fucking hot pink. Okay, bitch? So it says Riktak Hair Wig Shop. Riktak Hair is dedicated to make every ordinary girl become glorious. Love it. Love that. Okay, and they nicely tie it and secure it, okay, which is nice because sometimes they come and like the little ends are like not tied and I'm like, what? So yeah, girl, we are pulling everything out of the package right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like as soon as you get the package. There's nothing else in the bag, just to let you guys know. Okay, and just to let you know, it says on the back here, Brazilian straight full lace front, human hair 13x4 HD lace frontal, human hair wigs for black women. We're not going to get into that right now, okay? But anyways, dense 150% density pre-plucked human hair with baby hair, 30 inches, okay? Okay, so I can tell from, you know, looking at the outside of the package, like everything seems nicely packaged, properly done. They do send you the wig caps, which these are my exact color and they're kind of hard to find in my area, so thank you, Riktak. Just gonna sanitize the outside of the bag. So yeah, girl, this is what the hair looks like. I just took it out of the plastic and you guys can see it says right on here 30 inches. Okay, so I want my fucking 30 inches. So it smells a little bit off, but I never put units on top of my head without washing it, and I don't suggest you guys do that either because, you know, number one, spirituality reasons, like put some fucking Florida water, which I'm gonna spray right now. And number two, like sanitation reasons. Don't put shit on top of your crown before you fucking wash it, my girl, okay? Alright. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it up right now. This is Florida water inside of this bottle, you guys. It's actually mixed in with my face spray, but yeah. So yeah, girl, this is nicely packaged with the fishnet and everything on the outside to help keep the hairs nice and intact, right? That, okay, and then they have the stuffing and everything, and this lace looks really nice. This is a HD lace. Let me show you guys the hair. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then they have this nice packaging inside here, very nicely packaged, and then they do have these little clamps to help hold the foam. You don't need those. It does have a slight smell, but nothing too bothersome, you know, nothing. And then this is the hair. Beautiful. I'm in love with it. This is exactly what I wanted it to look like. It looks nice and fresh. The cap looks very welcoming. Girl, this is exactly what I was looking for. The lace looks beautiful. It is kind of like that slightly gray tint color, but you know, of course, once you put your foundation and all that stuff, it looks so fucking beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to install it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow because this one's crusty. Okay, so but this does seem to be at a nice 30-inch length. I told you guys I am a fucking professional weave wearer. So I can look at this and tell that it is at 30 inches. Okay, that's what the ends look like. They're nice and like, you know, thinned out, because it doesn't look good when the hair is too long and it's too full. It doesn't look natural. So yeah, it does have a slight smell, but I'm gonna wash it like I said. And yeah, this is what the hair moves like. And it is 150% density, so it is accurate. It's very accurate to the. Let me show you guys the baby hairs also. Let me show you guys the baby hairs. I'm just gonna like part some out just so you see the you know, the hairline. That's even too much, but just to show to you. Okay, it's nice. It's nice. You don't need to fucking pluck and do all that shit. Oh, and let me show you guys the lace on the inside. To me, that's not enough lace at the temple area. That kind of fucking pisses me off now that they call this a 13x4, because if I measure this right here, it's probably 1.5 inches. But this is approximately 4 inches right in the middle, and I love a good middle part, so I don't normally kind of veer off from that. But you know, back before COVID and everything, back before like the pandemic, yeah girl, back before the pandemic, they were giving you like more lace right here at the temple, so you could do like a fucking deep side part and everything. But I digress. This is the way that it is. Let me just show you guys. It's beautiful. The lace is nice and soft. The hair is beautiful and everything. That's what it moves like, very flowy. I am in love with the hair. I give this hair a 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 out of 10. Alrighty, and no shedding, zero, none whatsoever. Like none whatsoever. None whatsoever. And again, these are the ends. I love how like the density looks super natural. So yeah, girl. That's what it looks like. I'm super happy with it. I was afraid I would have to send it back, but I'm really happy with it. It was fucking delayed and everything, and I was getting pissed off, and I was trying to actually cancel my order. Yeah, like I was saying, I was trying to cancel my order, but I'm glad I didn't, because I'm super fucking happy with this right now. Like, fuck. And then they have this little piece of lace in the back here, but of course, you guys already know there's like no lace parting. You can actually kind of pull it up though, but yeah, I'm in love with it. We're gonna install it tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. Yeah, girl, this is what the hair looks like. I'm in love with it, actually. So pretty. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, you know, stay tuned, stay subscribed. I'm going to be installing it tomorrow, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.